I thought you were going to read me the directions. Come on, read me the directions.
Okay, I'm going to read one part.
Okay.
Screw, and
Okay, what's the first step?
fix it.
Fix it? Okay, Daddy, are you doing that?
Well, I'm actually taking it off.
Okay, what's the next step?
Over here is broke and put in and a screw in.
Okay, then what? What's step 3?
First,
Do you need a
step
screwdriver or a hammer?
A screwdriver. Because Daddy has screwdrivers.
Yep. Good job.
And then you screw this in and then keep it in and screw it really tight in.
Oh, that's good. Okay, let's see if Daddy's doing that.
Are you doing it, Daddy?
Not exactly, honey, but I want to get the old one put away.
Why?
So when we move out of the house, we can put the
When
old one back
I'm
on.
sleepy, you have to put my lock on.
When you're sleeping?
You want us to lock you in here tonight?
Yeah, my pony hurts me.
Okay.
Do you put this two in?
No, just one.
Okay, I'm holding this.
Okay, is that the other instructions?
No.
What is it? Oh, okay.
You wrap it like this. So I'm holding it for Daddy.
Oh, that's a good job.
Thanks, I'm helping Daddy. I don't know how to put that in because I'm not a big girl.
Yeah, you are.
But I'm so little, tiny.
You don't look so tiny to me.
On the camera?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not so tiny. Why are you putting the camera on me? It has shooters in it.
Shooters? No.
There's
It's a shooter, honey.
I don't know. Ah! Oof. Ow. And it makes me feel like, hey, it's a bird and I got the egg. And Pooh's like, I want that bone. And then he looks like, and he says, okay, boy, go get the bone. And then I look at him and on the TV, and then I put the camera on it, and then I squished it to knock off the game. Here, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Back over there. Come on, there's loose stuff here.